Hello, everyone. This is Case and Base. Today we will learn about what is IE industrial engineering.
IE is the concept and analysis technique which is the basis for improvement and reform in the plants. As the Toyota production system is called Toyota-style IE, the tools and concepts used in modern improvement apply a large amount of knowledge accumulated over many years in IE. In this course, we will learn about the outline and the overall picture of IE.
So, let's get started with the lecture.
Well, Neil, let's learn about IE today. Do you know what the abbreviation of IE is?
Yes, it is the abbreviation of industrial engineering.
That's right. As industrial engineering is too long, it is often referred to as IE for short. Do you know what IE is translated in Japanese?
I suppose it is translated as production engineering.
Yes, you are right. However, although it is often translated as production engineering, industrial engineering, management engineering and engineering management, none of the expressions is accurate. It is both production engineering and industrial engineering, management engineering as well as engineering management, but there is no such an expression in Japanese.
So that's why the abbreviation of IE is better known in Japan.
Next, let's take a look at the definition of IE. IE refers to the analysis techniques and improvement techniques used in on-site work and office work to pursue the optimal method, though IE has a strong impression that it applies in on-site work. But actually it is applicable to office work as well. The facts happening in front of us are scientifically analyzed with IE techniques. Moreover, we are always striving to work safer, more stable, faster and cheaper by introducing rational improvement measures. In addition, IE method is also used to eliminate waste, unevenness and reluctance thoroughly and create a comfortable working environment. And the top aim to utilize the IE technique is developing human resources through the improvement process by utilizing IE techniques.
Improvement of work isn't the only aim of IE, is it?
Yes. It also aims to increase the number of human resources with the aptitude to objectively grasp the actual situation of production process utilizing numerical values. In addition, it aims to increase the number of human resources with the aptitude to quickly discover potential losses and waste in the production process and make improvements on a daily basis. Therefore, a good process can be created to manufacture products with the quality and performance required by the customers at the lowest cost within the required delivery date.
So good processes can be created as a result of the development of human resources, can't they?
That's right. As it is said, business is people-oriented, it should be considered processes are people-oriented as well. This is the underlying thinking of IE. Isn't it the usual case? Measures are taken based on casual thought. The main causes are assumed only by imagination. The improvement effect is not represented in numbers. Improvement is independent and not connected.
In this case, the results of improvement will never improve no matter how long it takes.
Instead, let's aim to achieve the goals below. Taking measures based on scientific grounds. Finding out the main causes and making improvements by judging the facts based on the numbers, but not only by imagination. Mechanisms and techniques for repeated improvement should be utilized, not just one-time improvement.
So a constitution that improves the results will be built by repeating these measures steadily then.
Yes, whether or not it can be aware of makes a big difference at the on-site level. So it is essential to understand the basics of IE to be aware of the points.
I see. Could you give some examples about the specific merits of utilizing IE?
There are 4 merits. Let's have a check of them. Firstly, the matters can be discussed in common language through symbolization and diagrams. Secondly, anyone can get the same result as long as the analysis procedure is correct. Thirdly, since the facts are analyzed quantitatively, it is easy to get a feeling of conviction for the problems that have emerged. Finally, improvements and standardization can be implemented systematically. It is important to take advantage of these merits of IE and make a big change to the site.
There are various types of merits, aren't there?
By the way, do you know the 2 people who are called the father of IE?
No, I don't know.
They are Taylor and Gilbreth. Then next time let's learn about the achievements left by these 2 people.
Now, we make a summary of today's lecture. IE refers to the analysis techniques and improvement techniques used in on-site work and office work to pursue the optimal method. The top aim to utilize the IE technique is developing human resources through the improvement process by utilizing IE techniques. It is surely important to improve the effect of improvement, but keep in mind that IE technique is also a means of developing one's own ability, that is, a way to develop human resources. IE has 4 main merits. The first one is the matters can be discussed in common language through symbolization and diagrams. The second one is anyone can get the same result as long as the analysis procedure is correct. The third one is since the facts are analyzed quantitatively, it is easy to get a feeling of conviction for the problems that have emerged. The fourth one is improvements and standardization can be implemented systematically. I really want to take advantage of these merits of IE and make a big change to the site. That's all about today's lecture. So, see you at the next theme.